Hello, Skill Harbors. Welcome to Upskill, the place where we ignite knowledge, fueling success. In today's automotive world, our cars are no longer just mechanical marvels. They are rolling computers on wheels. Advanced driver assistance systems, connected services, and autonomous driving features have transformed our vehicles into complex networks of software and sensors. While this technological leap has brought unprecedented convenience and innovation, it has also opened the door to a new frontier of challenges. Imagine a scenario where a malicious actor gains unauthorized access to your car's control systems, jeopardizing not only your safety, but the integrity of the entire transportation system. The increasing connectivity of vehicles makes them vulnerable to cyber threats, ranging from data breaches to potential remote manipulation of critical functions. This brings us to the pivotal role of Automotive Cybersecurity Specialists. Their mission is to safeguard our automotive future, ensuring that the benefits of technology are not overshadowed by the risks. Automotive cybersecurity is not merely a technical niche. It is a crucial defense against the potential consequences of cyber attacks on our vehicles. So why should one consider a career in automotive cybersecurity? The scope is immense. As automakers race to outdo each other in innovation, the demand for skilled professionals who can fortify these advanced systems against cyber threats is skyrocketing. Whether you are passionate about coding, network security, or risk assessment, there is a place for you in this dynamic field. Moreover, the automotive cybersecurity sector is not an isolated entity. It thrives on collaboration with software developers, engineers, and regulatory bodies. It's an interdisciplinary field where your expertise can contribute to shaping the future of transportation. So let's know more detailed info about the Automotive Cybersecurity Specialist. We talk about the essential role and responsibility, career path guide, with expert tips of this exciting job. With this comprehensive guide, you'll have the knowledge you need to pursue a career in the ever-evolving field of automotive cybersecurity. Discover the job opportunities, the skills you will need to succeed for this in-demand role. As an automotive cybersecurity specialist, you are responsible for ensuring the security of the automotive industry. You will be expected to assess the risk posed by cyber threats, develop strategies and solutions to protect against those threats, and monitor and respond to any cybersecurity incidents. You will also be responsible for designing, implementing, and managing security measures for automotive systems. This includes developing best practices, policies, and procedures for secure system operations, and implementing technical measures such as access and security control. You will manage security tools and systems and identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. Also responsible for monitoring cybersecurity trends and threats, researching new technologies, and recommending improvements to existing security measures. Additionally, you will provide training and guidance to automotive personnel on cybersecurity protocols and best practices. You will also work with other teams and departments to ensure compliance with all security policies and procedures. Finally, you will be expected to document security policies and procedures and provide reports on any security incidents or weaknesses. You will also be responsible for staying up to date on the latest cybersecurity trends and technologies, as well as alerting management to any potential risks. A career as an automotive cybersecurity specialist requires a unique set of skills and knowledge to be successful. Automotive cybersecurity specialists must be able to identify, analyze, and mitigate potential threats to vehicles. They must also have an understanding of the latest technologies and trends in both the automotive and cybersecurity industries. To become an automotive cybersecurity specialist, individuals must have a strong technical background and a deep understanding of vehicle systems, its operation and interaction. This includes knowledge of programming languages, vehicle systems, networks, communication protocol, and other related technologies. Automotive cybersecurity specialists must also have experience working with a variety of automotive systems such as CAN bus, CAN FD, Ethernet, and OBD2. In addition to technical skills, automotive cybersecurity specialists must also have strong communication and problem-solving skills. They must be able to identify and analyze potential threats, develop appropriate solutions, and communicate their findings to stakeholders. Automotive cybersecurity specialists must also have excellent project management and organizational skills in order to plan, coordinate, and oversee security projects. Finally, automotive cybersecurity specialists must have a commitment to staying up to date with the latest technologies and trends in the automotive and cybersecurity industries. This includes attending conferences, keeping up with industry news, and staying abreast of emerging threats. Automotive cybersecurity specialists must also be able to apply their knowledge and experience to new and evolving technologies and threats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech talk in simple terms. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe in the digital world.